Did you know that water is one of the biggest enemies of oil and can cause damage to equipment and reduce its lifespan? Water can exist in three different forms in oil: dissolved, emulsified, and free form. When water is dissolved in oil, it is in a molecular form and not visible to the naked eye. However, even small amount of dissolved water can reduce the lubrication properties of the oil and promote the formation of harmful acid that can corrode metal parts. Emulsified water is water that has been mixed with oil and forms a cloudy appearance. Emulsified water can reduce the effectiveness of filters and promote bacterial growth, leading to contamination and equipment failure. Free water is water that has separated from the oil and is visible as droplets or puddles. Free water can promote corrosion, particularly in metal parts of the equipment, leading to premature failure and increased maintenance costs. That's why Liasotech has developed a state-of-the-art vacuum dehydration filtration system that removes water from oil and improves the performance and lifespan of equipment. In this video, we'll show you how the Liasotech vacuum dehydration filtration system works and explain why it's the best solution for removing water from oil. Liasotech vacuum dehydrators are high-end technology machines used for the removal of water and fine filtration of all types of industrial oils. These machines are designed to run 24/7 unattended with very little maintenance required. They are reliable, easy to operate, and drain water automatically at fixed time intervals. Liasotech vacuum dehydration and filtration system offers unique features such as dehydration as low as 50 ppm, particle count reading as low as NES3, flow rate range from 20 to 100 liters per minute, a suction strainer for pump protection, a oil sample ports, a high pressure trip switch, and an auto water drain valve. The system comprises a heated chamber to preheat the contaminated oil up to 60 degrees centigrade under temperature controlled process, a vacuum dehydration chamber where separation of water and moisture takes place under vacuum conditions, a vacuum pump which is connected to vacuum dehydration chamber to create 750 torr of vacuum inside the vacuum chamber, purified oil discharge motor which pulls the purified oil out of the dehydration chamber and delivers it back to the equipment oil tank. Mechanical filters to filter up to 1 micron size solid impurities from oil up to NAS3, a condenser to turn water vapor into liquid state, and a settle tank to store the water removed from oil. In order to comprehend the vacuum dehydration process, it is necessary to revisit the fundamental principles of water vaporization. Normally, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius under atmospheric pressure. However, if the pressure is reduced to 750 torr, the boiling point of water drops to less than 60 degrees Celsius. Within the dehydration chamber, a vacuum pressure of 750 torr is maintained, which exposes warm contaminated oil to a vacuum environment that has an inherent temperature of 60 degrees Celsius and a pressure of 750 torr. This process causes the water molecules within the contaminated oil to vaporize easily, and the resulting water vapor is extracted from the dehydration chamber using a vacuum pump. Purified oil settles at the bottom of the dehydration chamber and is transported back through a series of filtration stages of up to 1 micro using a discharge pump. The vacuum dehydration process is repeated multiple times until the desired output is achieved. Liasotech is committed to promoting the rapid adoption of cost-effective technologies and practices that improve contamination control in lubrication and hydraulic oil systems. As an ISO 9001, 14001 and 45001 certified company, we provide customized solutions for oil cleaning machine manufacturing that are both efficient and cost-effective. Our focus is on understanding our customer needs and designing and developing innovative solutions to even the most challenging filtration problems.